Oh yeah, that's not good. That's leaking. I'm Steve from Workbench-Z. The valve stem on this camp stove is leaking fuel. The retaining nut. Just a pair. Yep. So this old one ought to come off pretty easily. Nope. Okay, so this Coleman dual fuel lantern was leaking here. And I tried fixing it with the Viton O-rings from Harbor Freight, and that did not work. I'm gonna get rid of this. And that'll let me do the generator. Yeah, okay, hopefully you can see that. They have these floral silicone O-rings made in Canada that are supposed to be the perfect replacement part for all these Coleman stoves. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this one anyway. Okay, I'm going to start by putting a bit of paper clip through here, through the hole. I'm just going to bend that a little bit so that, go. And that way I'll be able to remember which way this goes. The little half moon points up. This retaining nut. Wiggle that out. And this is the O-ring I'm going to replace. This is the original from when I bought this stove. Ooh, 20 years ago? 15 years ago? Here's the old one. And here's the new one. Little WD-40 on a Q-tip to lube up the passage. And to clean and make sure the O-ring is going to slide in neatly. Let's try. Keep trying. There we go. Now that finally engaged. Okay, now we tighten up that nut. And this doesn't have to be real tight. Because it's not compressing the seal, it's just retaining this. I'll take that out and just to give you a close-up. Half moon is up, that way, that way. Half moon is pointed that way. Okay, so one more time. Okay, so the half moon is going up and the holes through it. Put this. Back in. Quick test. Yes! Okay, got a fire extinguisher standing by just in case. No leaks. Okay, so shout out to oldcolemanparts.com for having these blue floral silicone O-rings that are OEM spec for Coleman lanterns. Not every repair job goes as easily as some of the other YouTubers want to show you. I hope you found my real life experience repairing this thing entertaining, if not informative. Don't let it get you down. I succeeded. I'm sure you can too. I'm Steve from Workbench-Z. Have a great day.